NBC29 forecast.
Well, freeze and frost conditions this morning. You maybe had to grab your scraper and scrape off the windshield. Our own Josh Fitzpatrick captured his shot this morning from the windshield. The first frost here on the November 3rd, kind of late this year. There we go with a nice, beautiful autumn sunrise captured from Warren Fault in Jolly View. And after that cold, frosty start, it certainly was a cool afternoon. 49 is the current reading at the at the Charlottesville Albemarle Airport, made it up to 54 this afternoon. 33 was the morning low at the airport. In the Shenandoah Valley, we currently have 43, morning low there of 27. Take a look at some other readings. We have 46 in Madison, 41 in Louisa, 45 right now in Palmyra, 46 in Livingston, and 45 currently in Waynesboro. Even with clouds rolling in tonight, it's still going to be a cold overnight. Most of us will be in the low 30s, a few upper 20s. Now, since we've had widespread freeze and frost conditions going forth, the National Weather Service doesn't reissue frost advisories and freeze warnings. It's essentially the end of the growing season. And so, again, it becomes more commonplace, obviously, as we go deeper into November and beyond. 52 high temperature tomorrow here in Charlottesville, around 49 in Waynesboro, 52 in Dillon. So we'll have some clouds overnight and to start tomorrow. Then those clouds will thin out during the day, but temperatures will be fairly similar as they were today, roughly 10 degrees below average. Friday brings sunshine and the weekend looks pretty good. We will be watching a storm offshore. Right now that looks to remain offshore, although coastal communities could see more in the way of some rain in association with that next storm. You can see the high mid-level clouds that are filtering in from the west. It's part of a larger storm system that's working really through the Gulf and bringing showers and thunderstorms across East Texas. This moisture kind of fans out across the southeast as basically waves of energy ride up toward and off the Carolina coast. It should bring maybe some rain up into southeastern and southside Virginia later tomorrow, but we've got this chilly air mass in place and you can certainly see evidence of that. Temperatures right now in the 40s, the mountains are in the 30s. And so as we take a look at Futurecast, here we are for the overnight period. The clouds blanket the region. Again, that'll still hold temperatures up a little bit, but thin clouds, temperatures in the morning for most of us will still start in the low 30s. Then those clouds should begin to thin out as we progress through the day. High temperatures, as mentioned, in the upper 40s and low 50s. And you can see evidence of those showers down across southeastern Virginia, eastern North Carolina with that next little system skirting to our south. Friday morning, plenty cold, upper 20s and low 30s. And Friday afternoon brings more sunshine, temperatures similar to today, most of us in the low 50s. So tonight, again, the clouds will continue to thicken up. Still a cold overnight with most of us in the low 30s. Tomorrow, clouds will give way to gradual clearing, upper 40s to low 50s for the afternoon high. And we take a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Cold mornings and cool afternoons, all hallmarks of the autumn season here to continue. A bit more sunshine developing tomorrow afternoon. Friday looking good. Right now, the weekend shows a bit of a warming trend, near 60 on Sunday. And don't forget, this is the weekend that we fall back 1 hour. Daylight saving time ends early Sunday. Also a good time to check the batteries in your smoke detectors. Next week, temperatures warm back up into the mid to upper 60s.
All right, Eric, thank you.
We'll be right back.